My name is Lakeisha Summers, and I would like to welcome you to our short lesson. In this short clip, 4 educators will use Second Life to teach students different things about animals. Today we are here at Ladome City to visit Zoo World. How many of you like to visit the zoo? I know that I do. Here in Zoo World, we will see animals from different regions of the world. You can see a few animals from where we are standing now. I saw giraffes, gorillas, elephants. Hey, it's a jungle in there. Take the time to explore Zoo World by walking around or stopping to read interesting facts about animals. What are you waiting for? Get in there. Just remember to have fun. Here's Carl.
Thanks, Lakeisha. This is Carl Shuptrine, and I teach video production to high school students grades 9 through 12. Second Life could have many applications for my students, from creating 3D storyboards to actually recording group Machinima productions just like this one. This particular Second Life zoo environment, because of its abundance of virtual animal subjects, would work well for an individual student project instructing techniques of basic camera composition and framing. I would have students explore the environment and take still pictures that would demonstrate wide, medium, and close-up camera framing, as well as provide examples where they have used the rule of thirds to capture pleasing compositions. Because my classroom is a one-to-one computer environment, all students would be able to practice these techniques in preparation for using real cameras. Now, here's Carrie with a way to use these photos further.
Thanks, Carl. Here I am at Zoo World, hanging out with my animal friend, and I'm going to tell you about the next activity. After the students have learned their film and photography techniques, they will be creating a map showing where the animals originate from by using the photographs that they take. They'll practice their composition skills, and they will take photographs of each of the animals. I would probably split them into teams where they could each photograph a continent. There's India over there, Africa, South America. Coming over here is Madagascar and Australia. You can see some of the other continents. Anyways, they would place their video or their photographs onto a virtual map, and then they would research further into their habitats. You could also do this as a bulletin board where they actually print out the photographs and place them on the real map. Next, Thomas will give us the science activity. Take it away, Thomas.
Thanks. Hi. I'd like to explain how I will use this portion of Second Life, Zoo World, in my honors biology class in the taxonomy unit, which is classifying animals. Here we have the Bengal tiger, and if we rotate over here, we have a jaguar. There are also some other animals. We have the tapir, and then we have the sloth up in that tree there. I would use this to have students research the animal, as I did over here, and you can see the kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. I can go through and look at the animals, and then you would come back, and then you would have to tell why these animals are grouped into these certain categories. So that's how I would use this in Second Life. Thanks. Here's Nesden.
Thanks, Thomas. Hi, this is Nesden above the beautiful Zoo World. I'm going to go down below here in a second and try to explain to you some of how evolution actually works. You see, right here, I'm standing in front of the enclosure for the thylacine, or the marsupial wolf, also known as the Tasmanian tiger. This animal was the largest predator in Australia, and it went extinct in 1936. It occupies the same environmental niche as lions and tigers do on the other continents, but it's not a carnivore like those creatures are. It has a pouch like a possum or a kangaroo, and it's called a marsupial. Another creature that shares the same environmental niche with the thylacine, the Bengal tiger. And as you can see, it's a large animal, has sharp claws and teeth, has 2 front-facing eyes, and it too is a predator that stalks mostly deer and other types of ungulates that it finds in Asia. And that's how form comes to follow function. Whereas two creatures that may be not closely related can grow to have a very similar form by virtue of the fact that they occupy the same niche and need to use the same skills to live, such as predating large prey. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed our presentation.